What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you beginner beekeepers how to set up your beehive. You're going to need your solid bottom board or screen board. Place it on your hive stand. Take your deep, medium, whatever box you want to use. Place it on top of your bottom board. Take your inner cover, place it on top. Take your telescoping cover and place it on top of the hive. Place that like that. Make sure everything's squared up. Okay, so when you set up your hive on your hive stand, you want to make sure that your hive is leaning forward 1 degree. And what that does is it allows the moisture, when it gets hot and cold, to run to the front of the beehive, run down the front, instead of dripping onto the cluster of your bees. I also like to face my hives different directions, that way I don't get a lot of drift. As you can see, I also have my hives painted different colors to help not get a lot of drift. And that's about it. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe.